The video, available in the article, shows the first stage Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft blasting skyward, close-ups of the stage separation, the explosive endings for both the booster and spacecraft, and behind-the-scenes footage of mission operators and Elon Musk watching the mission unfold. Transparent wood could soon find uses as super-strong screens for smartphones, glowing light fixtures, and structural features like color-changing windows. The material outperforms plastic and glass in tests measuring how easily materials fracture or break under pressure. It is a far better insulator than glass, so windows made out of the material could help buildings retain heat or keep it out. For now, transparent wood still has a higher environmental impact than glass, but scaling up manufacturing and embracing greener production schemes could help make it more sustainable. The FDA has approved 2 gene therapies for treating sickle cell disease. These treatments have been shown to be highly effective at preventing vaso-occlusive events and crises. One of the treatments, the first CRISPR, Cas9 therapy approved in the US, turns on the production of fetal hemoglobin to replace deformed red blood cells. The other therapy uses a lentiviral vector to insert the genetic code for a modified type of hemoglobin designed to be anti-sickling. A new internet standard called L4S could significantly lower the amount of time we spend waiting for things to load. Many big tech companies are on board with the plan, which could help developers create applications that currently aren't possible. The standard allows packets to inform devices whether they experienced congestion on their journey, allowing devices to start making adjustments immediately to keep congestion from getting worse and potentially eliminate it altogether. It keeps data flowing as fast as possible and gets rid of the disruptions and mitigations that can add latency with other systems. Researchers have identified elements of whale vocalizations that may be analogous to human speech. FrankenPHP is a modern PHP application server that can create a production-grade PHP server with just one command. It has native support for Symfony, Laravel, WordPress, and more. Most popular PHP extensions should work with FrankenPHP. Investors and startup founders flocked to Austin during the COVID-19 pandemic due to its lower cost of living, hip lifestyle, and business-friendly environment. Some are now leaving or looking to leave the city. The weather and economy were not as favorable as they'd expected. This article looks at a few of the companies that are leaving and the reasons why. Beeper Mini, an app that brought iMessage to Android, recently experienced an outage. It appeared that Apple found a way to make the app stop functioning. The service is now back online. Apple claims that the app poses significant risks to user security and privacy. Beeper claims that its service increases iPhone security as without it, texts would be sent to Android devices unencrypted. Nova Mode is a ChatGPT prompt that is extremely useful for generating, revising, and iterating on ideas and content. OpenAI's Q model can reportedly perform math on the level of grade school students. While Q might not be the crucial breakthrough that will lead to artificial general intelligence, it might be an important step towards an AI with general reasoning abilities. This article takes a look at the area of AI math research and explains why step-by-step reasoning techniques designed for math problems could have much broader applications. Building a general reasoning engine will require a way for language models to learn new abstractions that go beyond their training data and have these evolving abstractions influence the model's choices as it explores the space of possible solutions. Mirror Lake is not a specific future product, but its technology could be seen in products in the second half of the decade. This article demonstrates how to serve videos using some of the features used for serving content based on user preferences and accessibility features. It presents alternate versions of a video for assorted media queries. Each example embeds the video with its alternate version, shows the HTML code used, and provides the alternate version alone. The examples are designed so developers can compare and confirm whether changes made to their browsers, systems, or within dev tools were successful. Git already does everything, and abstracting away the complexity of the UI will only abstract away its power. Any effort put into seeking or building an alternative should just be spent on becoming a Git expert. It is unclear whether Ilya Sutskever will play a role in OpenAI moving forward.